So Daily Cook started 12 years ago in my 300 square foot apartment in Hong Kong, where I really enjoy cooking a lot of different meals for my friends and family, which led us here today at the New York Stock Exchange. Our mission at Day Cook is to share the joy of Asian cooking culture with the world. Our philosophy is cook, care, and joy. But there are three ingredients in our culture as an organization that I actually want to share with you today. It is happiness, strength, and resilience. This journey has been long and it's been very fulfilling, but at the same time, definitely filled with challenges and obstacles. And without each and every one of you to be here and all the hard work and dedication, there's no way we're going to be here today. So thank you so much for being here and always be by my side. This is one of those moments that I'm going to remember for the rest of my life.